Creating your own products. It's a simple, very logical concept. If you can make big money as an affiliate, how big could your revenue stream be if you were the producer of the product instead? You know that as an affiliate you make X% of each product sold. Let's say you're earning a commission of say 50%. That means that you are not making 50% of the revenue generated from that sale. Someone is making just as much as you are. Now yes, we'll give you this one point, that someone is also paying the expenses of development and production and other overhead, but you can bet they've set their price at well above expenses. To be clear, we are not recommending that you endeavor to create your own products rather than become an affiliate. What we are recommending is that after you have established your business as an effective internet marketer, that you then leverage your influence to promote products of your own and cash in by netting the biggest part of your sales.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.